My EBSCOhost is a free personal account that allows you to make the most of the free personalization folder, extending your usage of EBSCOhost search results beyond the current session. Personalized folder accounts are simple to set up and can be created while accessing EBSCOhost. Create a My EBSCOhost folder by first clicking on the Sign In link in the top toolbar. Next, click the Create One Now link. Fill in the fields and follow the strong password guidelines to create your password. Check the box to consent to EBSCO's personal data retention and usage policy. You can read the policy by clicking the link. If you opt to not provide consent, you will be unable to continue creating an account. When you are finished, click Continue. Once your information has been accepted, your account is created and you can sign in using your credentials. In addition to search results, My EBSCOhost users can store images, videos, persistent links to searches, saved searches, search alerts, and journal alerts. From within the personalized folder, users can print, email, save or export search results, images, or videos. My EBSCOhost also allows users to create their own custom folders within the My EBSCOhost folder. This can help you organize your saved articles during research by placing them in different folders. Simply click the New link, name your folder, and click Save. Your custom folder is added to the My Custom area. Select articles from the My Folder area, click either Copy to or Move to, and select your custom folder from the drop-down menu to copy or move the articles. After logging in to your personalized folder, you can save particular result list items to your folder by clicking on the folder for each article. These saved search results can be examined more closely at a later date, as well as printed, emailed, or saved to your computer. By clicking the Share button and then clicking the linked terms next to Add Search to Folder, you can add a persistent link to a search to your personalized folder, which can then be emailed, saved, or clicked later to rerun the search, showing any new results that have been added to the database. The My EBSCOhost folder enables you to request a report of your personal information that's been collected and remove that information while deleting your account at any time. To view the personal data retention and usage policy screen, click Update My Account. Enter your login credentials and click on the Sign In link. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Personal Data Retention and Usage link. From the Personal Data Retention and Usage screen, click Request Report to view a report of your data collected for the past 12 months. Or click Remove My Data to remove your personal data and delete your account. Please note that your account is permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. At any time, click the Help link to view the complete online help system.